this video regarding compound interest, or in a simple word we can say that interest on interest. Interest on interest means you will earn interest on interest. Let's take one example. If you deposit 1000 into bank pay 10% interest annually. You deposit for 2 years, means on 1000 bank pay 10% interest on first year. On second year bank pay 10% interest on closing balance of or opening balance of second year, means 1000 principal plus 10% interest on that principal in first year, means interest calculation. Interest first year 1000 rupees into 10% interest is equal to 100. Now we find opening balance or closing balance. Opening or closing balance of principal is equal to 1000 plus 100 is equal to 1100. So we receive interest on second year is on 1100 into 10% is equal to 110. So after 2 years matured amount is equal to A received is 1100 opening balance plus interest earned 110 is equal to 1210. Here what we do, we are doing P into, means now we can write formula A maturity amount is equal to P principal we need to find mature amount, means for first year our mature amount is 1000 is P. Okay, we write P plus, now we need to this 100 rupees formula, so P into R, P plus P into R. Now we can say P into, these are common, so P plus here P gone, so 1 here P gone, so here plus R. So we can say that maturity amount is equal to P into 1 plus R. Okay. This is for 1 year. 1 year. Okay. Now on second year, what we are doing is we do this. How 1100 we received by using this formula. So A is equal to P into 1 plus R plus what we do 1100 we and 110. How 110 is R means P into 1 plus R into we receive 110 means opening balance into R means interest at 1100 into 10% means 110. This is for second. Now we these two are common, so we 1 P 1 plus R. These are common. Here whole one means bracket 1 plus these two are plus R. So P 1 plus R raised to 2. So we can say that these 2 means 2 years. So we can say formula maturity amount or future value is equal to P into 1 plus R into T means time or years. This is the formula of annuity. Now we calculate above example using this formula. 1000 rupees 10% and 2 years. A is equal to P 1 plus R raised to T. Here P 1000 1 plus R. We can put 0.10 or 10% means 10 divided by 100 is equal to 0.10. So we put 0.10. T is equal to 2 years means 2 is equal to 1000 1.10 raised to 2 is equal to 1000 into 1.10 into 1.10 means 1.21. So 1000 into 1.21 means 1210. We receive the same answer. This is for annual. Now we need to, if interest paid semi-annually, quarterly or monthly or weekly, then how we can calculate mature amount. For that we take one example. If interest paid by bank semi-annually means 1000 deposit by us 10% interest and 2 years interest paid semi annual means we take same as taken above example, but interest paid on semi annual. So we calculate interest. Okay. First 6th month 1000 deposit into 10%. But this 10% is for annual. We calculate for 6 months, means divided by 12, means 50. So opening balance of 7th is 1000 plus 50 is equal to 1050 on first year, means end of first year or 12th month. Is equal to 1050 into 10% into 6 divided by 12. This is opening balance on 7th month, 10% for full year. But here we received interest from 7th month to 12th month, and interest rate is for 12 month. So this come to 52.5. So closing balance 0 plus 5 2.5 is equal to 102.5, 1102.5. On last example we received 1100 because interest paid annually. Now 18th month, or say after 1.5 year, interest on 1102.5 into 10% into 6 divided by, it come 55.125. So now closing balance 1102.5 plus 55.125 is equal to 1157.625. Now end of second year or 24th month, interest 1157.625 into 10%, but this 10% for 12 months. We received interest for 6 months, so it's come to 57.88125. Now we received matured amount is equal to 1157.625 plus interest 57.88125. We take decimal as we received for understanding. After that we round off near to 2 decimal is equal to 1215.50625. Now we round off nearest, so bank will pay 1215.51. This is the matured amount we received after 2 years. Now we derive formula for this. For first 6 months, what do we do? P into R into T or here we can say T means for first 6 months. So P plus P into R into T means time is equal. Now we here P common as we do in last P here 1 plus R into T. This is for first interest maturity. For second A2 we can say P 1 plus R into T plus interest on this P 1 plus R into T into R into T means this is opening principal. This is interest for T period on principal. Now this is the common here. So P 1 plus R into T. So on the bracket 1 plus this one R into T means P into 1 plus R into T square. Now we take for third year maturity is equal P 1 plus R into T square. Sorry. This is principal plus interest on this means P 1 plus R into T square interest on that R into T. Now these two are common. So P 1 plus R into T square is equal to 1 plus this gone is means 1, this one here R into T is equal to P 1 plus R into T into 3. Now we take for fourth year is equal to P 1 plus R into T. This is principal. Now we need to add interest on this P 1 plus R into T principal into interest for T time. Now this are the common. So P 1 plus R into T into here this means 1 plus R into T. So is equal P 1 plus R into T. 4. Now, here, how many times interest paid in 2 years? 2 years. Semi-annuals mean in a year 2 times, means can we say n interest compounded or paid 2 times in a year, 2 times in year. Okay, in a yes means these 4 we received from year, 2 years into 2 times is equal to 4. So we can change formula is equal to P 1 plus R into T is equal to N, means compounded time into T. For this T, here we put 6 into 12, or instead of 6 into 12 means 0.5 or 7 divided by 2. If 1 divided by 2 means 1 divided by n. So maturity amount is equal to P into 1 plus R divided by n into nt raised to n. This is the formula for maturity amount, future value of principal including interest. Now we solve above example using this. Maturity amount A is equal to P 1 plus R divided by n raised to n into t. Principal 1000. 1 plus R is equal to 10 divided by 100 or 0.10. Both are same. So we put 0.10. How many times we compounded in a year? 2. Here we need not to take only 2. We need, if this percentage given on for which time, on that time how many times we compounded, means I will clarify this after solve this example. It means 2 into here 2. So 1000 into 1 plus 0.05 raised to 4 is equal to 1000 into 1.05 raised to 4. So is equal to 1000 into here 0.625. We taken whole, not round off, as we taken whole in above example. So 0.625. Now we round off, this is equal to 1215.51. We received this after 2 years. It will be same as we received here. So now formula is equal to A is equal to P 1 plus R divided by N into T, where A is equal to maturity amount or future value. P is equal to principal amount per amount. R is equal to interest rate. I and number of compound. T is equal to time for principal availed or deposited. Here number of compounded is based on time of R. Means if in above example annual interest rate 10% given. If annual interest rate instead of 10% they given 5% for every 6 months. So here n will be 1. Why? Because t is equal to 6 divided by 6. Okay. Thank you.